Have you ever felt confused or frustrated when trying to understand or get the job done setting up email from your learning management system or your LMS website? It sounds so easy. I just want to set up email. I want to do some automation. I want the, marketing to work. But the truth is working with email is not as easy as it sounds. The fact is there's not just one email system to meet all the needs of the modern online course, coaching program, membership site, or remote school. So you need to use several email systems together, 5 actually. And in this video, we'll describe the exact email systems you need to set up and how they work together, and also make specific recommendations on which ones are best to get started with. So my name's Chris Badgett. I'm a WordPress LMS software entrepreneur. You may have heard of me over at Lifter LMS. I'm a coach to WordPress professionals. I'm a course creator, and I'm a homeschooling work from home dad, broadcasting to you live from my cabin in the backyard, which is designed like a tiny house. So anyways, that's a little bit about me. Be sure to stay to this end of this video because I'm going to share an exclusive resource with you called the WordPress LMS Buyer's Guide, which will help you select the most powerful, most effective learning management solution based on how you answer 5 specific questions. So stay to the end and I'm going to share that resource with you. So people ask me all the time how to set up a online learning website with WordPress and have the email parts work really, really well. And I recently had somebody, we'll call him Mike, who got really frustrated in trying to set up email because they had a lot of experience with one type of email system, like a sales CRM system, that they really hoped that everything could just kind of happen in one place. And I understand it's super frustrating. I know because I came from a marketing automation background that I thought I knew all there was about email. But then as I got into it, when it comes to LMS websites, there's so much more going on than just some marketing communications and that sort of thing. So we're making this video to help remove all the friction around email so you can understand it, so you know what you need, you know how it works, and which tools to choose. So we're going to totally hook you up in this video. I'm not stopping until you're crystal clear on email. If you have any questions, drop a comment below this video. But first, I just want to talk about the challenge of this whole thing. It's overwhelming how many different email tools there are. And, it's easy to lose confidence because you keep getting conflicting advice. And it's just really overwhelming how many email tools are out there, and trying to keep it straight which tool does what and where does one tool stop and another begins. And a lot of email tools are great at their own marketing, so it's really hard to know which one is best. And after, the third problem with it all is after you decide on one of them, then you got to learn how to drive the thing. Like, how do I use this tool? And this is a whole other piece of software or system or thing I need to set up to use that email system effectively for your online education company. But here's my promise to you today. I'm going to help you understand the 5 exact email systems for an online course, coaching program, or remote school. So we'll be crystal clear on that. I'm going to recommend specific tools that will, from each of the 5 areas, that will help you at low to no cost and just get started without getting lost in a forever shopping spree. And the third big thing I'm going to do is uncover how to learn how to drive these tools and set things up and make it all work together perfectly. So let's dive right into it. The first type of email is called transactional email. This is basic email that the website sends, like a password reset email. If you've ever logged into WordPress and you forgot your password, you click that little link that says forgot password. and the website sends you an email to verify you're you, and you click on the link and you choose a new password. That kind of email is called transactional email. Um, and there's other basic website emails like that where a website will send an invoice receipt or a comment notification. And you're also going to want to use a SMTP service to actually power these emails. You see, WordPress tries to send these emails by default, and depending upon what your hosting company does, it's not really built to handle lots of email with high deliverability rates and all that stuff. This is why you need to set up something called SMTP to make it so that when your website wants to send email, like transactional email, that it can do that. So there's a free plugin you can install called WP Mail SMTP. That's an option here. There's also something called SendGrid and Mailgun and Mandrill that you can use for this service. And there's also another one called Mailhawk. So check out those for your SMTP service. And transactional email, basic one-off emails that your website sends. The second type of email is called behavior-based learning email. This is where the learning management system sends personalized emails based on triggering events inside the learning management system. So this is things like new course enrollment or lesson completion or quiz pass, quiz fail, certificate earned. Someone is joined a particular membership, a section or module has been completed. Lifter LMS is the best in the industry at this type of email, both setting up global emails and also really specific ones for specific courses or scenarios around a very particular trigger and a very specific one. We call those email engagements. But behavior-based learning email, this is what Lifter LMS sends from your website. It also uses that SMTP thing in the background to make sure you get high deliverability of those emails and that you have a great, just kind of email tech in the background to power your website's need to send the email. Email type number 3 is broadcast email. Your website is not designed to send one-to-many email. So these kind of marketing and broadcast emails is when you're sending one-to-many broadcasts. This could be marketing to people whose email you have on your email list, or you could be communicating in mass to people who are, let's say, already enrolled in a course and you want to email 30 or 30,000 people who are in this one course and recommend this other course or give them an update about the live coaching call that's going to happen or whatever it is. This is broadcast email. So you want to use an email broadcast tool like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which Lifter LMS integrates with both of those. Look for links below this video because we have integration add-ons for that. Groundhog is another great choice for that. There's another new WordPress option on the scene called Fluent CRM, so check that out. And you can also integrate with 50 plus other email broadcast tools using something called WP Fusion, which is a great tool. So if you want to send those one-to-many emails and build out a CRM or a customer relationship management aspect to your business, and you want to do it with one outside tool like Salesforce, ActiveCampaign, Agile CRM, HubSpot, all this, WP Fusion will get you there. It's a great tool. It's got a free version and it's got a paid version, but we're going to talk about that in a little bit. The fourth type of email, the fourth type is marketing automation and CRM. So broadcast email is like the one-to-many. Then the fourth type is marketing automation and CRM. So this is where, based on certain kind of triggers, where somebody enrolls in a free course, like a free course lead magnet, Lifter LMS has a free course lead magnet template. You can click with one click and start building your email list. So when somebody enrolls in one of those and you want to trigger an email campaign to roll out, so marketing automation, this can actually be done with Lifter LMS by itself. There's a whole email engagement system where you could schedule a series of emails to go out after somebody joins your free course, not based on like a learning email where somebody passes a quiz or completes a lesson, but more like a marketing thing that happens like on day 2, on day 5, a week later, and stuff like that. So you can use Lifter LMS by itself, or you can use one of the integrations I just mentioned above for broadcast email, which would be like the MailChimp, the ConvertKit, the Groundhog, and WP Fusion, and so on. The 5th type of email is called company email. All right. So this is the one that I think we all understand the most. Really, the best option here is just to use Google Apps, which is basically Gmail for businesses. So if you need to do a one-on-one communication between you and a student, you and a team member, you and anybody else on the internet representing your company, signing up for accounts for your business and things like that, having a professional email that's at yourdomainname.com or whatever, Google Apps is the best for that. As of this recording, I believe it's only $5 a month. So go get that. This is actually the very first, one of the foundational things that you should get is a company email. So when you have that idea for the project, or your client does, somebody's got to buy the domain name, and then you got to get some web hosting. You got to get WordPress on there. You got to get Lifter LMS on there, and then you got to get a email account for the company name. The big mistake that people make is they get email through their hosting. Don't do that. It's a huge mistake. If you ever need to move email later or change hosting accounts, it's a huge pain. Spend the small amount of money to get a Google Apps email at your domain name. And then as you sign up for things and take on this business identity, you're using that professional Google Apps account, which of course comes with Google Analytics, a YouTube channel, Google Ads account, all that stuff. It's all right there with Google. So that is company email. So I've been building WordPress LMS websites for a decade. I've seen way too many projects end up where people get stuck on these email issues. I remember a Lifter LMS user who named Julia, who was able to get through some serious stumbling blocks on email. And then once it all started clicking together, she was able to, choose the right email tools that made sense for her stage. In this case, she was trying to move forward as a bootstrapped entrepreneur without spending a lot of money and using free tools where possible. And she just got crystal clear. And then she was able to start, and it made sense. The emails went out when they needed to. Her learners could reset their password. She got started with marketing automation, and she built a simple funnel through her training so that people, as they got into something, an introductory course, they could flow into like a bigger membership. So once you understand how all this email stuff works, it all starts clicking together. So a couple more things. There is a myth that you just need to choose an expensive email marketing automation tool and your email problems go away. It's just going to automate your entire business, and you can have your 4-hour work week on the beach or whatever. So that's not the way it works. It takes a moment to understand these 5 categories of email functionality that you need and choose the best in breed tools for your price point. But don't fall to the trap. Sometimes the email marketing company has good marketing themselves, and they make it sound like all you just need to do is sign up and start paying them monthly, and all your email problems go away. It doesn't work like that. So stay with me, stay with the learning in this video, and you will once you get through this, you're not going to have any problems with your email. So. And I'm going to recommend to you a starter stack. If you're doing this for a client and they want like the simplest, most cost affordable low cost, affordable, with lots of free pieces involved. This is my tip for you. This is my starter stack that I would recommend. So the first thing you need is you need the free Lifter LMS plugin and one payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal, plus some free low-cost email tools. The tools I'm going to recommend to you today combine power with low to no cost. So we got Lifter LMS. We got MailChimp, which has a free plan. We have ConvertKit. We have Groundhog. So pick one of these three: MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Groundhog. Those will get you started with building your email list and broadcast emails. Okay, then you need to set up the WP Mail SMTP plugin, and then sign up for Google Apps and get the company Gmail account at your domain name. That's all. That's what 95% of LMS websites, these types of projects require. If you just get Lifter LMS and then get either MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Groundhog, you get WP Mail SMTP and Google Apps, you're good. This'll get you started. Okay. If you have any questions at all, just drop a comment below this video. This is what 95% of LMS websites projects require. And click the links below this video to explore these powerful options. Also, like I said at the beginning of this video, I wanted to share an exclusive resource for you called the WordPress LMS Buyer's Guide, which removes all the headaches and hassle and the overwhelm when you're searching for the best LMS, the learning, the courseware, the membership site, the e-commerce tools that you need for your learning management system project. Click the link below this video to download the WordPress LMS Buyer's Guide that was made for this year. Thousands of people like you have downloaded it. It saves a lot of time, just like I hope this video does for you. So check that out. And also do me a favor, smash that like button if you learned something today. I really appreciate it. And if you know anyone who would benefit from having more clarity around email like we're talking about today, go ahead and share this video with them. I'd really appreciate that. I see so many people struggling with email. If you know somebody that you can help who's kind of lost in the weeds of maybe like they're stuck on the wrong email marketing or CRM platform, just send them a link to this video. And I just want to encourage you to keep learning, keep taking action. You have the power to lift up others through online education. There's a course inside all of us, and I'll see you in the next video.